Hello students, welcome once again. In this session, we will learn button text, the feature of button text in Protractor. In Angular specific websites, we have a special HTML which is called button. You can use the feature of button text in Protractor also to identify the button and click or do any kind of operations in it. So first thing is that we have to locate the HTML tag button. So let me first give you an idea of which one is button text. Open a website, way to automation, and on clicking on this one you can see that customer login and bank manager login are there. See, both of them are button, right? These are all clickable buttons. So if you click any of them, right click on it, inspect in it, and you can see that. So if this button tag is present in the HTML page, we can use the button text feature in Protractor to identify this one. And some text should be passed. The value of the text will be the text we get displayed, this one, customer login, not the name. The value of this one, customer login, that is we are getting displayed. This one should be passed as a parameter value to identify this specific element. Okay, so let us see the part of the coding, how we can code it. We will open this website and we will also click on the customer login using the button text feature of Protractor. So go back to the code here and we will write there by button text, and we will write element by dot button text, and we have to pass the parameter. Now the name of the parameter here that I have told customer login, right? The thing which here, the text we are getting displayed, this one is a customer login, so we have to pass the parameter customer login. If we want to click on this bank manager login, this one is a bank manager login, then we have to click on the bank manager login and get it displayed. For now we will be using customer login, right? So we will copy this one and we will paste it here, customer login, right? And we will do a operation. This is the action. What action we are going to take? We are going to click it. So the thing is that this E will be in small. Okay, so the thing is that we will click on this one. Okay, the first thing, let us run this one first. This one is running. We will write npm test and we will wait for the web page to get first opened, and then it will click on the customer login if it can identify through button text. So let us see. Web page is opened and it is waiting for the customer login. It is clicked on the customer login, right? You can see that it is clicked on the customer login and traverse to the next page. This is the feature of button text in Protractor.